One of my favorite things to make is a quick stir fry. There is a lot of prep with the stir fry, but it cooks really fast and they are absolutely delicious. Today, we're gonna make a honey sriracha chicken stir fry and serve it over rice. The sauce is tangy and sweet, and it's absolutely fantastic. So join me as we make honey sriracha stir fry. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the sauce. The reason I make it in advance is we're going to use a little bit of it to marinate the chicken for maybe 10 minutes, and the rest of it is going to make our sauce. But we want it ready because the stir fry is going to go fast, so we need everything prepped. So I have a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to add 4 sliced garlic cloves. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of low sodium chicken broth. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of honey, and this honey is delicious. It's from my local area. I always tell people, buy yourself a good quality local honey. It totally makes all the difference in your food, and even if you're just using it for tea. We got 3 tablespoons of sriracha. Yay! It's not really that hot. Okay, so let me stir this up. We're keeping some cornstarch on the side. We're going to be using that to thicken the sauce. But right now, we're just going to combine this. And let me get the chicken. So I have 2 chicken breasts here cut up. I'm just going to make 1 batch of this today because we're going to eat it for dinner, and Eric will eat a little for lunch tomorrow. And then I'll reserve some for later. So I just have 2 chicken breasts here. You can make this recipe as large as you want. I'm just going to put in a couple tablespoons of our marinade. Stir it up, and we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes while this chicken gets happy. So I'm going to cook it in the Breville Hot Wok. You can do it in a wok on the stove, or you can even do it in a saute pan. I'll put links down in the description for this. I really like this wok. So I have some avocado oil. Just use any kind of high heat oil. We're just going to put a little bit in there. We're going to cook the chicken first, and then we're going to be taking it out. So let's rock and roll. I think I'm going to do this in 2 batches. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. You just want to keep it moving. We want to cook this chicken all the way through. Okay, so I'm just going to take this first batch out. Wow, that smells fantastic. Woo. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in here and cook off the second batch. Okay. Get that out of there. Okay, so I just wiped the wok out. And And I'm going to put a little bit more avocado oil in here. The very first thing I'm going to put in is some carrot. You usually want to put like your hardest vegetable in first. Let me turn this up a little bit. Put some onion in there. Carrot's going to take the longest to cook, so I'm putting that in here first. So I'm going to add in some zucchini. Yum. You can use broccoli, you can use whatever vegetables you like. I'm going to put some bell pepper. I got red bell pepper, green bell pepper. We got some snow peas. Yum. I like my snow peas really crisp, so we're just gonna stir fry them a little bit. We're gonna put the chicken back in. Wow. Woo! Nice. Looks beautiful. So I have our sauce here, and I'm going to put like a heaping tablespoon of cornstarch in the sauce. This is going to help it thicken. And we're going to put some of our sauce in here. Yum. We're just going to stir fry this in the sauce until it thickens. Wow, it looks amazing. Look at that, it looks delicious. So it's time to plate up our stir fry. It looks fantastic. I made some rice over here in my Zojirushi rice cooker. Love this thing. I'll put a link down in the description. I've had this rice cooker literally for 15 years and it's still making rice just as it did when I first bought it. Totally got my money out of this. So I'm going to put a little bit of rice on here, or a lot of rice on here. Yum, 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 yum. Or a little bit more rice on here. I'm not right with that, right? I put a huge pile of rice on here. And look at that, guys. Amazing. It's got a little honey sriracha sauce on it. I seriously cannot wait to take a bite. Yum. The snow peas are nice and crisp. It's fantastic. It's not overly spicy, but there is a little bit of a kick to it. Really, really good. A little sweet, but not overly, and a little spicy. Really, really good. Let me get a piece of chicken. Fantastic. Really good. You see, I'm just sitting here eating it. Thumbs up for the stir fry. Thumbs up for the wok. Thumbs up for the Sriracha rice cooker. Thumbs up to the Mikado knives. Everything came together to make a fabulous dish. You'll really like this one. So cooks, we have honey sriracha chicken stir fry. You can even put some noodles in here and make it a chow mein if you want to, or a lo mein. Or you can serve it over rice. Delicious either way. Try it. You'll love it. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. Come and see me on Facebook, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And you can catch me on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy. Delicious.